Welcome to Qamar MoonBoy channel and subscribe my channel by clicking on this red subscribe button and click on this bell icon to be updated with my latest videos every time I upload it. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, that is Qamar MoonBoy, and this is Sheikh Amaruddin, your host, and I'm going to teach you ETABS 2016. And with me there is a Kishore, and we are continuing the flat slab class which we have left on. And in this today's class we will be seeing about how to provide the drop panel to this flat slab, and then how to design totally the flat slab and do analysis and design for this 20-story building we have in front of us now. So Kishore, let us go to the plan view.
20 story now, sir?
Yes, to the 20-story. So you know already that Kishore is from Rajahmundry and he is doing MTech project. So this is his project. I'm helping him on his project. So here in this project we will actually do flat slab and response spectrum analysis on this building, that is G plus 20. You can see this is a huge building with huge plan here. So we need to provide some drop panels. So we already defined some drop panels here. We can go to define and we can see in the slab sections here. Here we have define a drop panel, that is drop 1. We can go to modify and see that we have provided the M25 full concrete property, and also the modifiers the same as, okay, we will provide same as the property of the slab, that is concrete slab, that is 0.25 we will provide for bending and shear. So we have provided the modifiers as per the concrete requirement for the crack provision. Okay, that is from the crack theory, I think so. So drop thickness we have taken as a double of the slab thickness. Slab thickness we have taken to 200, so drop thickness is 400, we have taken as double. We have assumed it as double. If this is also not sufficient, we will change it later. And from this we have the maximum span of the slab from column to column is 5.13, and we have to provide a drop panel of size that should be greater than L by 3. That is L by 3 we are getting around 1.71, so we are keeping it to be 2 meters by 2 meter drop panel, right Kishore?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
let us go to the draw rectangular slab panel. We can go from the draw menu, or we can go from the side quick draw bars, and we have here option draw rectangular floor wall slab. See that here we have selected the similar stories, so that it should be on the similar stories
Okay.
only. Here we have to give some the data as 2 meter by 2 meter, and we will provide these are all in mm, so 2 meter by 2 meter. And then we will click on the then we will click on all the interior columns center, so that 1 minute. So we have to select the drop panel here,
Yeah.
drop 1. Now if I click on the center point,
Yeah.
yes, like this I have to click on every center point of the column. Now what we have to do is we have to draw some points around this exterior columns, and we have minimum spacing for the exterior columns, I think it is okay. So 1 meter by 1 meter we have to give a point. We have to go to draw points, that is joint objects or draw reference points. Here we can give x and y coordinates for this. X offset I can give 1 meter.
Sir, for exterior columns we have to take half, sir.
Yeah.
Half of the panel. For exterior columns we have to take half of the panel, sir.
Yeah, half of the panel we have to take. That is 1 meter by 1 meter from the central line of the column. So that is 1 meter by 1 meter only. Okay. So now if I click on the exterior joint, so I think it will go away from that. So actually in the y direction I need to give minus 1000. So if I now click on this,
Grid is off now, sir. That's it.
yeah,
Grid is off now, sir. That's why it's not showing, I think.
okay, let me go to the view grid, show visibility grid. Yeah, now it is showing, right?
Yes.
joints and also the grid intersection and also the edges. Line ends and midpoints. Apply, close. Now what we will do is we will go to drop panel. Now we will not give any dimensions here. Yeah. Now here it will hold the rectangle, the points we have created. And we will on the similar stories. Then also it is showing everything. Okay, let us draw these points also. Draw reference points. Hmm. Completed. So all the trap panels are completed. Let me just, okay, right click on the panel so that I can see the loads. These are the loads given. So we have assigned some diaphragm. Diaphragm is there. Assignment diaphragm D1. Yeah, diaphragm D1 is there. We'll save up to here.
Uh, for this, we have to give outside shear wall, sir, for peripherals.
But there should be some openings also, no?
Yes, sir.
In the outer walls. Is total concrete shear wall?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to provide at the grid line only, from column to column,
Yes, sir.
column center to column center. Okay, then we have to just take some wall. Lift wall we have already defined. We will define another wall for exterior shear wall, or wall 200 only we will take same.
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. I'm thinking 230, sir.
230? That is
Yes.
okay. So 200 is for lift wall, let it be. We will add a copy of that and we will give it as a wall 230,
Two.
right?
Yes, sir.
230, then it is 230. Everything is same.
We have to change any modifiers, sir?
No modifier. Modifier for lift and this is same, no. Both are concrete, right? It will act like a pier column. No, it's okay. It's correct. So for G plus 20, if it is exceeding 60 meters, we should provide a helipad also, right? Is it
Yes, sir.
required for your building also?
Required, but I don't know how procedure and loads are done. That's why I didn't thought that.
Helipad loading, helicopter.
I don't know about that. That's why I ignored that.
We have to take as a 4 point loads on the top of the lift area where you have given the
Okay.
emergency lift now.
Hmm.
There only we have to provide some for that. Okay, you try to get that loads. Okay, what will be the load
Okay, sir.
coming due to from the helipad to the structure? You try
Okay, sir.
to find out that. If you find out that, then after that we can provide it as a 4 point loads on four corners,
Okay.
right? So now everything is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to provide the openings to all the to the whole structure
Okay.
where where you have the openings. You provide it to the walls by going to the grid
Okay.
lines, like in the elevation view. Go to the grid line like one, apply. Okay, then provide all the in the one grid line what are the openings you try to
Okay,
draw.
sir.
Okay, after
Okay.
completing
Okay,
that,
sir. Okay.
we will do the analysis and design. And after
Okay.
doing analysis and design only, we can do response spectrum.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
or otherwise directly we can do response spectrum. First, it should be safe in a static design. Just you take the static design and like we'll run only the load cases such as these two load cases, that is dead load and live load and wall load. These three load cases we will run first. Then after that we will design that. So if this is safe
Okay.
in the gravity loads, then we will go for linear static, this EQX and Windex. Then with that we will do response spectrum also.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay.
draw the openings. In the next section we will
Okay.
do the analysis and design. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye bye Kishore, thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye. Thank you.